Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. We've come to the end part of this particular ceremony, and kindly I request we all remain standing where we are as we now give you the exit protocol, starting with the motorcade for His Excellency
Taifa letu la Kenya,
of the CDF and service commanders. It will closely be followed by the motorcade of His Excellency the President of Comoros, followed by the former President of Niger, then the Deputy President. So kindly I request that we all remain in our positions as we allow His Excellency the President and Her Excellency the First Lady to lead us in the departure protocol. Their motorcade will be closely followed by that of the CDF and service commanders, and then followed by His Excellency the President of Comoros, followed by the former President of Niger, then followed by the Deputy President, the Prime Cabinet Secretary, the Cabinet Secretaries, and the Ambassadors. Principal Secretaries and Members of Parliament, we kindly request that you hold. We have pooled transport for you, for your comfort, so that you'll be able to get there efficiently and without getting stuck in any form of traffic. So we kindly allow His Excellency the President with the First Lady to exit first, followed by the CDF and service commanders, His Excellency our visiting President from Comoros to follow, followed by the former President of Niger, who will be seen off by the Deputy President, and then we will have His Excellency the Deputy President, the Prime Cabinet Secretary, the Cabinet Secretaries, then members of the Diplomatic Corps. For the Principal Secretaries and members of Parliament, we have comfortable pooled transport for you to ensure efficiency and comfort for you to get to the luncheon. Wananchi, tunaomba tuweze kutulia tukiwaruhusu Mheshimiwa Rais na wageni wake waweze kuondoka ili tuweze kufuata. Asanteni sana kwa utulivu wenu. Tunaomba tuendelee kutulia ili tuweze kuondoka kwa taratibu ambaye imepangwa. For now, we have the exit of His Excellency the President of Comoros, followed by His Excellency the former President of Niger, who will then be followed by the Deputy